And we're back. In this video, Lee's going to make use of those config any settings for the minimap in the minimap file. Lee?
All right, I'm trying to find my mouse,
Okay.
and I think it's over here. Hold on. There we go.
Very cool.
All right, so let's go ahead and close up some of these other ones. We don't need them for now, so let's clean up and make some more room available. So here's our minimap, and the ones that we want to get rid of, well, we want to keep all these, but we want to be able to change them. So we've got a static class, so these need to go from constants to static values because we need to be able to change them. If they're constants, we can't change them. And those will be fine. So inside of here, we're going to have to set them now. So we'll bring up our map size. Could also change them, make them smaller, or lowercase smaller. Good. All right, so we're going to change the lowercases to keep naming convention correct. And then we'll fix that. So map size is going to equal, we're looking for the integer parse of our config. And did it find it? Nope. There we go. That setting. And we're looking for MiniMap size. We look at our ini file just to make sure. So these are the settings that we need set. Minimap size, minimap padding, avatar size, minimap texture, and avatar texture. So go ahead and copy this, paste it 2 more times. So our padding and our avatar size. Change that to minimap padding and change this one to avatar size. And I'm going to have to capitalize that. All right, now inside of here, so let me just copy all of this. And minimap texture. Just to make sure I don't type anything wrong. So build that, make sure that works right. Now, this isn't all of it though. We also need to modify this guy right here, which is still hard-coded. And of course, now I've got to open up one of those files that I closed to keep nice and clean. But it's a simple matter. This is the same bit of code that we've got here. So if I paste that in there, that will take care of that. But just to make sure that this is working, we can go ahead and modify our minimap padding, and we can change that. And let's go to, say, 384, make our minimap a little bit larger. Save that.
Okay, you ready?
And I think so, sure, why not?
All right. So back over here. Let's see what we get. A gigantous minimap.
Yep. So our minimap worked.
Indeed.
We're back at our beach.
Very cool. And loading and swimming. Woo. Well, not really, but get the idea.
Yep.
Okay, fantastic. All right, so
So
we can go ahead and set all those back.
Yep.
Okay.
Save it.
All right, well, that is going to wrap up this video, and if I'm right, that also wraps up everything with the config system. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
But not everything for this particular series.
No, we've got a couple more things that we're going to throw in. So with that, that concludes this video. Thanks a lot, everyone.